In the initial stage of kombucha production, the factory sources high-quality tea leaves, commonly black or green tea varieties, from reputable suppliers. These tea leaves serve as the primary substrate for fermentation, imparting distinct flavors and nutrients to the final product. Utilizing stainless steel tanks or kettles, the factory brews the tea on a large scale, optimizing efficiency while maintaining strict hygiene standards. The tea leaves are added to the brewing vessels, and then it is steeped to extract its aromatic compounds and beneficial components, resulting in a flavorful infusion. To provide fermentable sugars necessary for the SCOBY's metabolic activity, precisely measured amounts of sugar are incorporated into the hot tea, ensuring a balanced and consistent brewing environment. This sugar serves as the primary substrate for fermentation, fueling the SCOBY's transformation of the tea into kombucha. The factory proceeds to cool the sweetened tea mixture to room temperature, a critical step in preparing it for fermentation. This controlled cooling prevents thermal shock to the delicate microbial ecosystem within the tea and ensures optimal conditions for subsequent fermentation stages. Once cooled, the tea is carefully transferred into specialized fermentation tanks, each designed to facilitate the microbial transformation of the tea into kombucha on a large scale. To initiate fermentation and establish the desired microbial community, additional filtered water is introduced into the tanks, adjusting the concentration of the tea mixture to the desired level. Furthermore, starter liquid from a previous batch of kombucha, rich in established cultures of bacteria and yeast, is added to the tanks. This serves multiple purposes. It kickstarts fermentation by introducing active microbial populations, lowers the pH of the mixture to inhibit harmful pathogens, and fosters the growth of beneficial bacteria and yeast, essential for the fermentation process. The fermentation tanks or containers are sealed to prevent contamination and maintain optimal conditions for fermentation. These conditions typically include a controlled temperature range, around 75 to 85 Fahrenheit, and limited exposure to light. The kombucha ferments for a predetermined period, typically between 7 to 14 days, although this can vary depending on the desired flavor profile and production schedule. During fermentation, the SCOBY consumes the sugars in the tea, producing organic acids, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of alcohol. This process imparts the characteristic tangy flavor to the kombucha. After fermentation is complete, the kombucha undergoes filtration to remove any remaining solids, yeast sediment, or SCOBY fragments. This helps clarify the liquid and improve its appearance. Flavorings such as fruit juices, herbs, or spices may be added to the kombucha at this stage to create flavored varieties. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed according to specific recipes. Prior to bottling, the factory implements stringent sanitation protocols to ensure the integrity and safety of the final product. Glass or PET plastic bottles, chosen for their durability and inert properties, are thoroughly sanitized to eliminate any potential contaminants. This meticulous cleaning process helps maintain the kombucha's freshness and prevents microbial spoilage during storage and transportation. Once sanitized, the bottles are filled with the filtered and flavored kombucha using precision machinery, minimizing exposure to external elements. To provide consumers with essential product information and branding, labels are meticulously applied to the bottles. These labels contain pertinent details such as product name, ingredients, nutritional information, expiration date, and branding elements, serving as a means of communication between the producer and the consumer. In large-scale kombucha production facilities, bottling is a highly automated process that efficiently handles thousands of bottles per day. The bottles are then conveyed on a continuous production line to the filling station, where automated filling machines accurately dispense the desired amount of kombucha into each bottle. These filling machines are equipped with multiple heads to handle several bottles simultaneously, optimizing throughput. Once filled, bottles move to the capping station where automated capping machines securely apply caps or lids. After labeling and inspection, bottles are grouped into cases or trays by automated packaging machines, then palletized and prepared for shipping. This seamless integration of automated machinery and quality control measures allows kombucha producers to meet market demand efficiently while maintaining product integrity and consistency. The cases are transferred to distribution centers where they are organized for transport to retail outlets or other destinations. Automated systems and logistics software play a crucial role in managing inventory and coordinating shipments. Palletized cases are loaded onto trucks or shipping containers, optimizing space and ensuring efficient transport. Distribution centers act as hubs for coordinating deliveries to various retail locations, ensuring timely and accurate fulfillment of orders. Kombucha has become a widely enjoyed beverage in modern times, appreciated for its unique flavor profiles, potential health benefits, and versatility. Consumers have embraced kombucha not only for its refreshing taste, but also for its probiotic properties, which are believed to support digestive health and overall well-being. Kombucha is enjoyed in various ways, from sipping it chilled as a standalone beverage to incorporating it into cocktails, mocktails, or flavored mixes. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch